Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be sharing with you the easiest 3-ingredient dip that you will ever make. This dip is absolutely delicious. It is easy to throw together and is perfect for any of your upcoming football get-togethers. First, you'll start off with one 8-ounce package of softened cream cheese. Place that in the bottom of an 8x8 baking dish. Then you're going to add 1 can of chili. Now I opted to put in the chili with beans. I use the Hormel chili with beans. You don't have to use beans if you don't want. That's up to you, totally up to you. Next, you're going to add 1 8-ounce package of sharp shredded cheddar cheese all over the top. Make sure you spread that out as even as possible. Next, you're going to place your dip in a preheated 350-degree oven for approximately 25 to 30 minutes until it's nice, melty, and bubbly. Enjoy, y'all!